These animals look harmless, but they hunt like monsters. 1. Leopard seal. Looks like a water puppy, but rips penguins apart and plays with their food. 2. Sugar glider. Glides like a flying squirrel, looks like a plushie, but eats insects, birds, and even small reptiles. 3. Sea otter. Adorable? Yes. But it smashes prey's skulls with rocks and holds them underwater. 4. Shrike. It's just a songbird, until it impales lizards and insects on thorns like a medieval hunter. 5. Owl. Silent wings, giant eyes, but they're bone-crushing assassins with deadly precision. Which cute killer shocked you the most? Drop a comment, like, and subscribe for more wild facts.